Right. We have been discussing partnership lesson. Under grade 12, you have to discuss up to lesson 10 partnerships. Sole proprietorship we have discussed. Manufacturing account we have discussed. Not for profit making organization as well as incomplete records. Also some example I have discussed. And I will discuss some example relevant for not for profit making organization as well as incomplete records. Last week I have discussed partnership basic part. Partnership is organization. Think about there are 3 types of business available and 4 types of organization available. In accounting, we are going to provide information. For that, we have to prepare financial statement. Think about business. It may be trade in business. It may be service business. It may be manufacturing business. Think about partnership sum. They ask in the error paper, manufacturing account with partnerships. As well as trade in business with partnerships. Service business with partnerships. Incomplete record with partnerships. Partnership is organization. There are more than 2 owners available. Therefore, I have discussed how to prepare profit appropriation accounts. Last week, I have discussed how to distribute profit among the partners. So that we have to prepare profit appropriation accounts. As well as I have discussed partners' current accounts. Think when compared with sole proprietorships. Think about sole proprietorship, only 1 owner is available. Therefore, profit no need to distribute. Only 1 owner is available. But partnerships, there are more than 2 owners available. Therefore, profit earned by the business should be distributed among the partners. So that we have to prepare profit appropriation accounts. Therefore, very important, profit appropriation part we have discussed last week. As well as you have to know how to prepare partners' current accounts. All the appropriation part available in the partners' current accounts. But today I'm going to discuss admission of new partner to the partnership. අලුතින් partner කෙනෙක් business එකට ඇතුල් වුණොත් ආවොත් මොකද්ද කරන්න කියන එක. As well as you have to know retirements of old partners from the partnerships. කරුණු දෙකක් තව තේරෙන්න ඕන. අලුතින් partner කෙනෙක් business එකට ආවොත් මොකද්ද කරන්න කියලා තේරෙන්න ඕන. As well as old partners retired from the business. You have to know how to adjust on the financial statement. Therefore, last week I have discussed basic part of appropriation part and how to prepare partners' current accounts. Now I'm going to discuss how to prepare, how to record information relevant for admission of new partner. In a partnership, normally there are 2 adjustments should be done. If new partner was admitted to the business as a partner, you have to do 2 adjustments. First one, cash brought by new partner should be recorded. Cash brought by new partner should be recorded. අලුතින් partner කෙනෙක් ආවොත් නිකම්ම අපි බඳව ගන්නේ නෑ බලන්න. එයා සල්ලි ගේනවනේ business එකට. Therefore, cash brought by new partner should be recorded. If it for cash increase, cash account debit, capital account credit. Think cash bought by new partner. If new partner was admitted to the business as a partner, 2 adjustments should be done. First one, cash brought by new partner. Cash account debit, capital account credit. And second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Very important. If it has given admission or retirements, you have to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. Think about goodwill of the partnerships. If it has given admission or retirements, you have to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. How to adjust? First one, goodwill should be recorded. goodwill also assets, goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Partners capital account credit by using old ratio. As well as goodwill is intangible assets, therefore goodwill should be written off, should not be disclosed on the financial statement. Goodwill කියන asset එකක් බලන්න. Goodwill කියන එක asset එකක්, but intangible assets. Think about land, building, motor vehicle, office equipment like that cannot be disclosed. පෙන්වන්න දෙයක් නෑ අපිට. මේ තියෙන goodwill කියලා. හැබැයි ඇත්තට මෙහෙම දෙයක් තියෙනවා business එකේ. business එකේ හොඳ නමක් තියෙනවා බලන්න. දැන් නිකන් හිතන්න ජෝන් කිල්ස් කිව්වොත් එහෙම. බලන්න නමට යනවනේ මිනිස්සු. ඒ නම නිසා අනාගතේ customers ලා යනවා බලන්න. Like that, goodwill of the business should be adjusted if it has given admission or retirements. How to adjust goodwill? First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Second one, goodwill is intangible assets. පෙන්වන්න දෙයක් නෑ මේ අපිට තියෙන goodwill කියලා. ඇත්තට මේව දෙයක් තියෙනවා. නමුත් අපිට land, building, motor vehicle වගේ මේ තමා තියෙන goodwill කියලා පෙන්වන්න දෙයක් නෑ අපිට. Intangible assets. Therefore, should not be disclosed on the financial statement. Therefore, should be written off. කවදා හරි business එකේ goodwill එකට සල්ලි හම්බෙන්නේ business එක වහලා දාන දවස. විකුණන දවසට. ඒතර අපිට ඒකටත් එක සල්ලි හම්බෙනවා. There are two adjustments should be done if it has given admission of new partner. Very, very important. Thing in accounting, we are going to provide information. Therefore, if new partner was admitted to the business, there are two adjustments should be done. First one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Second one, cash brought by new partner should be recorded. Cash brought by new partner should be recorded. And second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Right, last week I have discussed how to prepare profit appropriation accounts. Last week I have discussed how to prepare profit appropriation accounts. Now think about admission parts. Admission of new partner to the partnership. You have to know how to adjust. There are two adjustments should be done. First one, cash brought by new partner should be recorded. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. දැන් නිකන් හොඳට අහගන්න මම මේ කියන දේ. දැන් අලුතෙන් බිස්නස් එකට එක්කෙනෙක් ආවොත් එහෙම දැන් නිකන් හිතන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ අලුතෙන් ඉස්කෝලේ ළමයෙක් එහෙම આવොත් මොකද කරන්න බලන්න. අලුතෙන් ඉස්කෝලේ ළමයෙක් ආවොත් රැග් කරනවා කියලා එකක් කරනව නේද? දැන් මම කැම්පස් වලට අලුතෙන් ගියොත් අන්න ඒ වගේ තමයි බිස්නස් එකේ බලන්න. දැන් බිස්නස් එක මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගලා තියෙන්නේ මීට කලින් හිටපු කට්ටිය. ඒතර ඒගොල්ලෝ මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගපු නිසා තමයි කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත බිස්නස් එකට එන්නේ. අන්න එහෙම කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත බිස්නස් එකට එන නිසා තමයි ප්‍රොෆිට් එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ බලන්න. ඒතර මේගොල්ලෝ මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගපු බිස්නස් එකෙන් අලුතින් පාර්ට්නර් කෙනෙක් ආවොත් එයා නිකම් බදව ගන්න බෑ. එයාට ප්‍රොෆිට් එකක් අපි දෙන්න ඕන. ඒතර එයාගේ මහන්සියේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් නිසා උපයන ලාභයක් නෙවෙයි එයාට යන්නේ. අලුතෙන් පාර්ට්නර් කෙනෙක් ආවොත් එයාට ප්‍රොෆිට් ෂෙයාර් එකක් දෙන්න ඕන. නිකම් බදව ගන්න බෑ. එයා නිකම් එන්නේ නැහැ බලන්න. ඒතර දැන් එයා බැඳිච්ච දවස් ඉඳලා එයාට ප්‍රොෆිට් එකෙන් කොටසක් යනවා. අන්නේ යන්නේ එයාගේ මහන්සිය නිසා වැඩි වෙන ප්‍රොෆිට් එකක් නෙවෙයි මේ. තාම බිස්නස් එකට කස්ටමර්ස්ලා එන්නේ පරණ පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලාගේ මහන්සියේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් නිසා. අන්නේම කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත ඇවිල්ලා ප්‍රොෆිට් එක වැඩි වෙයි කියලා හිතෙන වැලියු එක තමයි goodwill කියන්නේ. goodwill කියලා කියන්නේ දැන් තියෙන තත්ත්වය තියෙනවා අලුතින් පාර්ට්නර් එන දවස වෙනකොට. අලුතින් පාර්ට්නර් කෙනෙක් එන දවස වෙනකොට බිස්නස් එක ගොඩනගලා තියෙන තත්ත්වය අනුව අනාගතයේ කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත ආවොත් බිස්නස් එකේ ප්‍රොෆිට් එක රුපියල් කීයකින් වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන් වේද? That is the meaning of goodwill. Therefore, if it has given admission or retirement, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. එතන වෙන්නේ දැනට බිස්නස් එක ගොඩනගලා තියෙන්නේ පරණ පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා මහන්සි වෙලා. ඒතර ඒගොල්ලොන්ගේ මහන්සියේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් නිසා කස්ටමර්ස් අනාගතේ ඇවිල්ලා වැඩි වෙන ප්‍රොෆිට් එක හරිනම් යන්න ඕනේ පරණ පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලාට. හැබැයි අලුතින් පාර්ට්නර් කෙනෙක් ආවොත් එයාටත් අර පරණ පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලාගේ මහන්සියේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් නිසා වැඩි වෙන ප්‍රොෆිට් එකකින් කොටසක් යනවා. ඒතර එයාට වාසියක් වෙනවා පරණ කට්ටියට අවාසියක් වෙනවා. මොකද අර කිසි මාංශයක් නැතුව ආපු දවස් ඉඳලා ප්‍රොෆිට් එක ජෙනරේට් වෙනවා බලන්න. ඒතර එයාට වාසියක් වෙනවා පරණ කට්ටියට අවාසියක් වෙනවා. මොකද පරණ කට්ටියට යන ප්‍රොෆිට් එක අඩු වෙනවා. අන්නේ වෙන වාසිය වාසි නැති කරන තමයි goodwill අපි adjust කරන්නේ. Therefore, you have to know how to adjust goodwill. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners, capital account credit. Second one, goodwill is an intangible assets. Therefore, should not be disclosed on the financial statement. Land, building, motor vehicle, වගේ මේ තියෙන goodwill කියලා පෙන්වන්න දෙයක් නෑ අපිට. Therefore, goodwill should be written off. Therefore, goodwill account credit, partners, capital account debit. Goodwill account credit, partners, capital account debit. Therefore, if it has given admission of new partner, very important. There are two adjustments should be done. ආපහු ආගන්න හොඳට. Think what partnerships. There are three specific part we have to discuss. Last week I have discussed how to prepare profit appropriation accounts. Profit earned by the business should be distributed among the partners. As well as I have discussed how to prepare partners current account also. But think what, now I'm going to discuss how to adjust admission of new partner. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කරගෙන යන business එකට අලුතින් partner කෙනෙක් ආවොත් මොකක්ද කරන්න කියන එක. There are two adjustments should be done. First one, cash brought by new partner should be recorded. අලුතින් ආපු කෙනා ගේන සල්ලි ටික රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න ඕන. Cash account debit, capital account credit. Cash account debit, capital account credit. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Goodwill of the partnerships. Goodwill කියන්නේ හොඳ නම. අන්නේ හොඳ නම එහෙම හොඳ නමක් ගොඩනගලා තියෙන බිස්නස් එක පරණ පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා මහන්සි වෙලා හොඳ දේවල් කරපු නිසා. දැනට ඉන්න පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා මහන්සි වෙලා බිස්නස් එක ගොඩනගපු නිසා තමයි කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත දෙන්නේ. දැන් goodwill කියන්නේ හොඳ නමක් නේ බලන්න දැන් නිකන් හිතන්න ක්‍රිකට් ක්‍රීඩකයෙක් බලන්න. දැන් සනත් ජයසූරිය කිව්වොත්. ඊට ජෝන් කීල්ස් කිව්වොත්. ඒ නමට දෙනවනේ මිනිස්සු බලන්න. දැන් ඉස්කෝලේ නිකන් හිතන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉස්කෝලේ යන ඉස්කෝලේ නාම පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. ඒ ඉස්කෝලේ යන්නේ ඇයි වෙන එකට යන්නද කියලා හිතන්න බලන්න. goodwill එකක් තියෙනවා බලන්න. අන්නේ goodwill කියන එක හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ මීට කලින්. ඒගොල්ලෝ මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගපු නිසා. දැන් පාර්ට්නර්ෂිප් බිස්නස් එකට අපි දැන් මොකක් හරි බඩුවක් ගත්තු බිස්නස් එකට ආපහු අපි යන්නේ ඒකට මොකක් හරි හොඳ දෙයක් තියෙන නිසා. Like that goodwill available of the business. Goodwill කියන්නේ හොඳ නමක්. ඒක හදලා තියෙන්නේ මීට කලින් හිටපු පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා. But then if new partner was admitted to the business, we have to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. ඒතර goodwill එකක් තියෙන නිසා තමයි customers ලා නැවත නැවත එන්නේ. customers ලා නැවත නැවත එන නිසා තමයි profit එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් goodwill එක business එකේ profit එකෙන් නිරූපණය වෙනවා. මොකද හොඳ නමක් තිබුණොත් මේ customers ලා ආපහු එන්නේ. ආපහු ආවොත් නේ profit එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් business එකේ profit එක එන්නේ වැඩි වෙනවා කියන්නේ business එකේ goodwill එකක් තියෙනවා. Like that, partnership also goodwill available and goodwill created by the old partners. පරණ partners ලා මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගපු නිසා තමයි customers ලා නැවත නැවත එන්නේ. අන්නේම customers ලා නැවත නැවත ඇවිල්ලා වැඩි වෙන profit එකෙන් කොටසක් අලුත් partnerට යනවා. If new partner was admitted to the business, අලුතෙන් partner කෙනෙක් ආවොත් එයාට profit එකක් දෙන්න ඕන අපි. එතන පරණ partners ලාගේ profit එක තමයි අඩු වෙන්නේ. මොකද එයා ආපු දවස් ඉඳලම business එකේ profit generate වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එයා නිසා customers ලා ඉන්නේ නැහැ තාම business එක run කරන්නේ පරණ partners ලාගේ මහන්සියේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් නිසා. customers ලා නැවත නැවත එනවා, profit එක වැඩි වෙනවා. අන්නේ වැඩි වෙන profit එක හරිනම් යන්න ඕනේ old partners ලාට. නමුත් අලුත් partner ආපුවම එයාටත් profit share එකක් අපි දෙන්න ඕන. ඒතර එයාටත් profit එකෙන් කොටසක් යනවා. අර දෙන්නගේ මහන්සියේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් නිසා customers ලා ඇවිල්ලා වැඩි වෙන profit එකෙන් කොටසක් අලුත් partner ට යනවා. ඒතර අලුතෙන් ආපු එකකට වාසියක් වෙනවා. පරණ කට්ටියට අවාසියක් වෙනවා. මොකද අලුතෙන් ආපු එකකට කිසි මහන්සියක් නැතුව ලාභ උපයන්න පුළුවන්. ආපු දවසෙන් ලාභ හම්බ වෙනවා. අයි දැනට මහන්සිලා ගොඩනගන්න තියෙන බිස්නස් එක. ඒතර අලුතෙන් කෙනාට ලාභ කොටසක් යනවා. අන්නේ යන්නේ පරණ කට්ටියට යන්න උන ලාභේ. ඒතර අලුතෙන් ආපු එකට වාසියක් වෙනවා. පරණ කට්ටියට අවාසියක් වෙනවා. අන්න ඒක නැති කරන්න තමයි goodwill අපි adjust කරන්නේ. අපි බලනවා දැන් තියෙන තත්ත්වය අනුව කස්ටමර්ස්ලා අනාගතේ ආවොත් එහෙම profit එක රුපියල් කීයකින් වැඩි වෙයි. that is a goodwill. goodwill කියලා කියන්නේ කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත ගෙන්ව ගන්න තියෙන හැකියාවක්. එහෙම නැවත නැවත එන්නේ මොකක් හරි හොඳ නමක් තියෙන නිසා. ඉතින් දැන් අපි බලනවා අලුතෙන් පාර්ට්නර් කෙනෙක් ආවොත් එදා වෙනකොට බිස්නස් එකට නැවත නැවත කස්ටමර්ස්ලා ආවොත් එහෙම profit එක රුපියල් කීයකින් වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන් වේද? අන්නේ වැඩි වෙන profit එක යන්න ඕන old partnersලාට. හැබැයි අලුතෙන් පාර්ට්නර් කෙනෙක් ආපුවාම එයාට profit එක කොටසක් දීපුවාම එයාට අර පරණ partnersලාට යන්න ඕන profit එකෙන් කොටසක් යනවා. අන්න ඒක නැති කරන්න තමයි goodwill අපි adjust කරන්නේ. Right, you have to know how to adjust. Therefore, if it is given admission of new partner, there are two adjustments should be done. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Therefore, this is the way you have to adjust goodwill of the partnership. You have to know this is a part. First one, how to record goodwill, and second one, how to written off goodwill. Goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. As well as goodwill is intangible assets, therefore should not be disclosed on the financial statement as assets. Therefore, goodwill should be written off. How written off? Partners capital account debit by using new ratio and goodwill account credit. Think how to record goodwill. Right. ඉතින් යාට අපි ගණන් හදන ගමන් බලමු. I have discussed last week how to prepare profit appropriation accounts as well as partners current accounts. But today I'm going to discuss partners capital account also. If it is given admission or retirements, you have to prepare partners capital and current account also. As well as sometime it is given admission beginning of the year, sometime it is given admission end of the year. If it is given admission beginning of the year, think what sometime it is given if new partner was admitted to the partnership as at the beginning of the year. If it has given admission of new partner at the beginning of the year, all partners available, new partner also available during the current period. අලුතෙන් partner ඇතුළත් වුණොත් අවුරුද්ද මුල ඒතර එයාත් මේ අවුරුද්ද ඉන්නවා බලන්න. Therefore, when we are going to prepare profit appropriation accounts, all three partners' names should be included in the appropriation accounts. But if it has given admission end of the year, in this situation, new partner is not available during the current period. Therefore, profit appropriation accounts is not relevant for new partner. Very, very important. Sometime it has given admission beginning of the year, sometime it has given admission end of the year. ඒ කියන්නේ අලුතෙන් එන partner අවුරුද්ද මුල එන්නත් පුළුවන්, අවුරුද්ද අග එන්නත් පුළුවන්. සාමාන්‍ය A-roll paper එකේ අවුරුද්ද මැද එනවා දෙන්නේ නැහැ දැන්. එක්ක මුල නැත්නම් අග දෙන්නේ. ඒතර අලුතෙන් partner මුල ආවොත් if new partner was admitted to the business at the beginning of the year, new partner also available during the current period, therefore profit should be distributed all the partners including new partner. But if it has given admission end of the year, new partner is not available during the current period. Therefore, profit is not relevant for new partner. If it has given admission end of the year. Therefore, there are two parts you have to know. First one, think about if it has given admission beginning of the year. And second one, think about if it has given admission end of the year. Right. There are two adjustments should be done. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Then think about beginning of the admission or end of the admission. Right now, think about example. Last week I have discussed profit appropriation part as well as partners current accounts. And today also I will discuss that part and admission part. Now see the example number 1. Then මෙතනින් යාට පාඩම තේරෙන්නේ ගානත් එක්ක. Think about example number 1. It has given trial balance of Ajit Sajit partnerships as at 31st March 21 is given below. There are two partners, Ajit and Sajit, and it has given profit and loss are share between Ajit and Sajit. Ratio is given 3:2. That is a profit sharing ratio. And given capital account balance, current account balance, and profit also given for the year end 31st March this one 21. Our accounting period it has given 31st March 21. Therefore, profit for the year end 31st March 21 it has given. Therefore, no need to prepare income statement. Profit already calculated. And given drawings also. Drawings it has given each partner. Think Ajit, Sajit, and it has given Vijit also. But all partners, there are two partners available. But drawings it has given for Vijit also. Now think about additional information. It has given Vijit was admitted to the business as a partner on 1st April 2020. On 1st April 2020 means beginning of the year. Think our accounting period end of the year 31st March 21. Therefore, new partner also admitted to the business at the beginning of the year. Therefore, new partner also available during the accounting period. Therefore, new partner's name also should be included and brought 220,000. Think values in thousand and brought 220,000 in cash as a capital on his admission. That is a cash brought by new partner. And given goodwill of the partnership as at 1st April 20 was agreed rupees 120,000. Think values in thousand. The adjustment in this regard should be made through the partners capital accounts. On a goodwill එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා බලන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් තියෙන තත්ත්වය අනුව අනාගතයේ කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත ආවොත් එහෙම අපිට හිතෙනවා profit එක 120,000 වලින් වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. That is the meaning of goodwill. Then given new agreements, think about admission beginning of the year. Therefore, new partner also available during the accounting period. And new agreement should be applied for appropriate profit. Given new agreements, Ajit, Sajit and Vijit partnerships. Monthly salaries it has given. That part I have discussed last week also. And interest on capital 10% on their capital account balance. Interest on capital 10%. Now think about new partner also introduced cash as a capital. And it has given profit and loss share 5:3:2 ratio between Ajit, Sajit and Vijit. This is a new profit sharing ratio. And new partner also available during the accounting periods. Therefore, when we are going to distribute profit among the partners, you have to use new ratio. And given old ratio also. There are two partners available, old partners, Ajit and Sajit, and given old ratio 3:2. Old ratio equal 3:2, but new ratio it is given 5:3:2. Think how to prepare appropriation accounts, how to adjust goodwill. Last week I have discussed how to prepare appropriation accounts. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ තේරුම් ගන්න දේ තමයි අලුතෙන් partner ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන අවුරුද්ද මුල. ඒතර අලුත් partnerත් මේ අවුරුද්දේ ඉඳලා. Therefore, when we are going to prepare profit appropriation accounts, all three partners should be included. Then, if it has given admission, two adjustments should be done. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Goodwill කියන්නේ customers ලා නැවත ගෙන්වා ගන්න තියෙන හැකියාව. එහෙම හොඳ නමක් තියෙන නිසා තමයි ආපහු ඒ බිස්නස් එකට යන්නේ. ඒතරේ හොඳ නම හදලා තියෙන්නේ මීට කලින් හිටපු පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා මහන්සි වෙලා. දැන් මොකක් හරි කඩේකට අපි ආපාරක් යන්න හිතෙනවා නම් ඒ යන්නේ මොකක් හරි හොඳක් තියෙන නිසානේ බලන්න. that is a goodwill. goodwill කියන්නේ කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත ගෙන්ව ගන්න තියෙන හැකියාව. ඒ හැකියාව ගොඩනගලා තියෙන කවුද? මීට කලින් හිටපු පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා. අන්න ඒ නිසා තමයි නැවත නැවත කස්ටමර්ස්ලා එන්නේ. කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත ආවොත් තමයි ප්‍රොෆිට් එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් අන්නේ වැඩි වෙන ප්‍රොෆිට් එක හරිනම් යන්න ඕනේ old partnersලා. Therefore, goodwill adjustment should be done. Right? There's statement of profit appropriation for the year end 31st March 21. Think about there are two partners available, Ajit and Sajit. But new partner also admitted to the business beginning of the year. Vijit, all three partners available. There's our accounting period end of the year 31st March 21. Therefore, when we are going to prepare profit appropriation accounts, all three partners should be included. There's partners capital accounts as well as current accounts for the year end 31st March 21. Think about current account we have discussed already. Profit appropriation part should be recorded through the partners current accounts. And there's partners capital account also. In the partners capital accounts, we have to adjust admission part of new partner. Admission part of new partner should be adjusted in the partners capital accounts. Therefore, you have to know how to prepare partners capital accounts, partners current account. Very, very important. Right? It has given net profit also given. Our accounting period end of the year 31st March 21. On admission hadana vidhiya hondata බලන්න. Right? This is the way you have to prepare profit appropriation accounts. Profit appropriation account. There are three partners available: Ajit, Sajit, and Vijit. Statement of profit appropriation for the year in 31st March 21. From the beginning net profit for the year, then deduct salary. There are three partners. It is equal wages: Ajit, Sajit, and Vijit. Think what new partner also should be included. Reason new partner also available. Given admission beginning of the year. But if it has given admission end of the year, new partner's name should not be included. Then interest on capital as well as profit share. Net profit it has given. And you have to prepare partners capital accounts. There are three partners available. Capital accounts. Debit side and credit side. Ajit, Sajit, and Vijit. Credit side also same way. And partners current account also theirs. Current account, capital account, both the same way. Under current account should be recorded profit appropriation part and drawings. That part I have discussed last day also. And capital accounts we have to prepare to records admission part of new part. In the capital account should be recorded admission part as well as retirement part. Right from the beginning, take the balances. Trial balance it has given capital account as well as current account balance also. Therefore, from the beginning, take the balances, capital and current accounts. Capital account as well as current account balances as well as net profit also given. Try to recognize how to adjust admission parts. Now see the trial balance. It has given net profit for the year in 31st March 21. Profit for the year in 31st March 21 equal 114,200. Think about this part. Profit for the year is given 114,200. It should be included profit appropriation accounts. Record it. Profit appropriation account last columns 114,200. Net profit is given. Then take the balances, partners, capital and current accounts. Trial balance it has given balances. Think about capital account balance it has given Ajit and Sajit 200,000. and 250,000. Current account balance it has given also credit side Ajit 2,000 and Sajid it has given 4,000. Take the balances as brought forward partners capital account as well as current accounts. Credit side it has given those are equity. Take the balances capital account as well as current accounts. Capital account 200,000 and 250,000. Take the balances. Credit side capital account as a balance brought forward. As a balance brought forward. Credit side as a balance brought forward. Ajit it has given 200,000 as well as Sajid it has given 250,000. Vijit it has not given opening balance. Vijit is a new partner. Then take the current account balance also. Current account also given credit balance. Therefore, balance brought forward credit side. Balance brought forward, it has given Ajit 2,000 as well as Sajid it has given 4,000. Vijit, there is no balance, opening balance, both capital and current accounts. From the beginning, take the balances. Now think adjustment. If it has given admission, there are two adjustments should be done. Two adjustments. First one, cash brought by new partner should be recorded. Think about additional information. Additional first one, read carefully. Relevant for admission part. Given Vijit was admitted to the business as a partner on 1st April 2020, beginning of the year, and brought 220,000, think values in thousand, in cash as a capital on his admission. This is the first part. Cash bought by new partner. 220,000. Think double int. අලුතෙන් partner කෙනෙක් ආපුවම සල්ලි ගේන්න ඕන. නිකම් පදව ගන්න නෑ බලන්න. Therefore, effect for cash increase, cash account debit, capital account credit. Record it. There are two adjustments to be done. First one, cash bought by new partner, 220,000. You have to prepare cash accounts. Cash bought by new partner, effect for cash increase. Therefore, cash account debit, 220,000 as a capital. Then capital account credit, think about double end. Effect for cash increase, think about business point of view. New partner introduce cash as a capital, 220,000. Think business point of view, cash increase, therefore cash account debit. Partners capital account credit. Partners capital account credit, which is 220,000. Therefore, capital account Vijit credit 220,000 as a cash. That is the first part. Think cash bought by new partner, how it records. There are two adjustments to be done. First one, cash bought by new partner. Second one, goodwill of the partnerships. Goodwill of the partnerships. Also given. There are two adjustments to be done. Think about additional information. It has given goodwill of the partnership as at 1st April 20 was agreed as 120 million. Think values in thousand. Goodwill of the partnership equal 120,000. What is the meaning of goodwill? එකනේ business එක මෙයා බඳව ගන්න දවස වෙනකොට පරණ partners ලගේ මහන්සියේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් නිසා අනාගතයේ කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත ඇවිල්ලා ප්‍රොෆිට් එක අපිට හිතෙනවා මෙච්චරකින් වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. අර දෙන්නගේ මහන්සියේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් විදියට. අන්න ඒක තමයි ඇඩ්ජස්ට් කරන්න යන්න. as a goodwill. ආපහු හොඳට අහගන්න බලන්න. පරණ පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා මහන්සි වෙලා බිස්නස් එක ගොඩනගපු නිසා තමයි තාම කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත එන්නේ. අන්න ඒ විදියට අනාගතයේ ආවොත් දැන් තියෙන තත්ත්වයේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් විදියට ප්‍රොෆිට් එක රුපියල් කීයකින් වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි කියලා අපිට හිතෙනවද? estimate not actual value. That is a goodwill. අන්නේ වැඩි වෙන profit එක යන්න ඕන old partners ලට. හැබැයි දැන් වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? අලුතෙන් partner කෙනෙක් ආපුවාම එයාටත් profit share එකක් දීපුවාම එයාටත් බෙදිලා යනවා. පරණ partners ලට යන්න ඕන profit එකෙන් කොටසක්. ඒතර අලුත් එක්කෙනාට වාසියක් වෙනවා. පරණ කට්ටියගේ profit එක අඩු වෙන නිසා ඒගොල්ලන්ට අවාසියක් වෙනවා. අන්න ඒක නැති කරන්න තමයි goodwill adjust කරන්නේ. You have to know how to adjust. Think what goodwill of the partnership equal 120,000. Therefore, first one goodwill should be recorded. Second one goodwill should be written off. First one goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill also assets. Goodwill account debit. Partners capital account credit. Partners capital account credit by using old ratio. Goodwill also assets. It is relevant for old partners. Goodwill කියන්නේ profit එක වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි කියලා අපිට හිතෙනවද කොච්චරක්? දැන් තියෙන තත්ත්වය යනවා. පරණ partnersලා මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගපු එකේ ප්‍රතිඵලයක් විදියට අනාගතයේ customers ලා නැවත ඇවිල්ලා profit එක අපිට හිතෙනවා මෙච්චරකින් වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි කියලා. අන්න ඒක යන්න ඕනේ old partners ලට. Therefore goodwill is an intangible assets. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. 3:2 ratio. Goodwill equal 120,000. Then calculate value. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill should be recorded. Therefore, goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. Therefore, calculate value old ratio. Goodwill, it has given old ratio 3:2. 3:2. Ajit and Vijit. So Ajit and Sajit, two partners. All ratio. Think how much relevant for Ajit as well as Sajit. Vijit is a new partner. This is all ratio. Goodwill of the business is given 120,000. Therefore, 120,000 divided by 5 into 3. Think what goodwill old ratio credit as well as 120,000 divided by 5. 120,000 divided by 5 into 2. This is the old ratio. Total goodwill equal 120,000. Old partners only Ajit and Sajit. Ratio is given 3:2. Therefore, here total amount equal 5 divided by 5 into 3 divided by 5 into 2. Take the value. Therefore, here answer equal. Think about how to adjust goodwill. Total goodwill is given. It is equal 120,000. Therefore, here value equal 72,000. Calculator can be used. As well as here value equal 48,000. This is all ratio. Then think how to adjust goodwill. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Therefore, you have to prepare LG accounts. Goodwill is an intangible assets. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Record it. Total goodwill equal 120,000. Therefore, this is a goodwill accounts 120,000. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Therefore, capital account credit. Capital account credit by using old ratio. Therefore, goodwill account debit and partners capital account credit. Think what admission part should be recorded through the partners capital accounts. Therefore, this is a capital account credit as a goodwill. Capital account credit as a goodwill by using old ratio. By using old ratio, think about Ajit and Sajit. All ratio goodwill equal 72,000 as well as 48,000. This is step number second one. Goodwill should be recorded. And second part, goodwill is intangible assets. Think about goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. but goodwill is intangible assets. again land building motor vehicle වගේ අපිට පෙන්වන්න දෙයක් නැහැ මේ තියෙන goodwill කියලා. ඇත්තට මෙහෙම දෙයක් තියෙනවා. නමුත් මේ තියෙන goodwill එහෙම අපිට පෙන්වන්න දෙයක් නැහැ land එක වගේ, building එක වගේ, motor vehicle වගේ. Therefore intangible assets should not be disclosed on the financial statement. කවදාරි මේ goodwill වලට සල්ලි හම්බෙන්නේ business එක වහලා දාන දවසට. Therefore this cannot be disclosed on the financial statement. ඇත්තට මෙහෙම දෙයක් තියෙනවා. ඒ වුණාට අපිට පෙන්වන්න තැනක් දෙයක් නැහැ. Therefore no need to disclose on the financial statement. Therefore goodwill should be written off. First one goodwill should be recorded. Second one goodwill should be written off. අයින් කළා දාන අපේ goodwill එක. Therefore goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit. Always like that. First one goodwill should be recorded. Second one goodwill should be written off. When we are going to written off, we have to use new ratio. It has given new ratio. New ratio is given 5:3:2. It has given profit and loss share 5:3:2 ratio between Ajit, Sajid and Vijay. Therefore goodwill should be written off by using new ratio. Total goodwill equal 120,000. It is not changed. Therefore take the answer. Goodwill Ajit, Sajid and Vijay, 3 partners. But goodwill is an intangible assets. Therefore should not be disclosed on the financial statement. Given new ratio 5:3:2. This is a new ratio. Total goodwill is not changed. It is equal 120,000. Therefore profit share total value equal 10. Divide by 10 into 5. Think new ratio and 120,000 divided by 10 into 3 as well as 120,000 divided by 10 into 2. Think how to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. Old ratio credit, new ratio debit. Goodwill should be written off. Reason goodwill is intangible assets. Therefore new ratio equal 5:3:2. Total profit share equal 10. Then take the answers. Divided by 10 equal 12,000 into 5. Calculator can be used. And here value equal 36,000. Here value equal 24,000. Therefore goodwill, first one should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Second one, goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit. Always same way. First one goodwill should be recorded. Second one goodwill should be written off. Therefore second steps, goodwill should be written off. Therefore goodwill account credit 120,000. Total goodwill is not changed as a partners capital accounts. As a partners capital accounts and partners capital account debit by using new ratio. Therefore record it partners capital account debit as a goodwill by using new ratio. Within brackets new ratio. Therefore new ratio debit value equal 60,000. Then 36,000 as well as 24,000. Think how to adjust goodwill. Then antimate තේරෙනවනේ මෙච්චරයි බලන්න. Old ratio credit, new ratio debit. Think about goodwill how to adjust through the partners capital account. Old ratio credit and new ratio debit always. Think about goodwill account, there is no balance. Debit වෙලා credit වුණාට net effect 0. First one goodwill should be recorded. Second one goodwill should be written off. Goodwill is a intangible assets. ඇයි මේක අපි adjust කරන්නේ? Goodwill කියන්නේ හොඳ නමක්. ඒ හොඳ නම ගොඩනගලා තියෙන්නේ මීට කලින් හිටපු partnersලා. මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගපු නිසා තමයි customers ලා නැවත නැවත එන්නේ. Customers ලා නැවත නැවත එන නිසා තමයි profit එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ. Business එකක් පටන් ගත්ත දවස් නම් profit generate වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ බලන්න. ඒක මහන්සි වෙලා ඒගොල්ලෝ මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩ නගලා තියෙන මේක. ඒතර ඒ ගොඩ නගලා තියෙන බිස්නස් එකට අලුතෙන් පාර්ට්නර් කෙනෙක් ආවොත් එහෙම එයාට අපි ප්‍රොෆිට් එකක් දෙන්න වෙනවා. ඒතර එයාට දෙන්න වෙන්නේ අපිට යන ප්‍රොෆිට් එක පරණ කට්ටියට. ඒතර අලුතෙන් ආපු කෙනාට වාසියක් වෙනවා. මොකද ආපු දවස් නම් ප්‍රොෆිට් හම්බ වෙනවා. ඒ වුණාට බිස්නස් එක ප්‍රොෆිට් ලබන තත්ත්වයට ගෙනල්ලා තියෙන අරගොල්ලෝ මහන්සි වෙනවා. බිස්නස් එකක් පටන් ගත්ත දවස් නම් ප්‍රොෆිට් ජෙනරේට් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක මහන්සි වෙලා මිනිස්සුන්ගේ විශ්වාසය දිනාගෙන ඒ තත්ත්වයට ගෙනල්ලා තියෙන අර දෙන මහන්සි වෙලා. අන්නේ මහන්සිලා ගොඩනගපු බිස්නස් එකට අලුතෙන් කෙනෙක් ආවොත් අර එන ප්‍රොෆිට් එකෙන් කොටසක් අරයට යනවා. ඒතර පරණ කට්ටියගේ ප්‍රොෆිට් එක අඩු වෙනවා. පරණ කට්ටියට අවාසියක් වෙනවා. අලුත් එක්කෙනාට විශේෂ වාසියක් වෙනවා. කිසි මහන්සියක් නැතුව ආපු දවස් ඉඳලා ප්‍රොෆිට් හම්බ වෙනවා. අන්නේ වෙන වාසි නැති කරන්න තමයි goodwill අපි adjust කරන්නේ. If it has given admission or retirements, you have to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. You have to know how to adjust. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. Second one, goodwill is intangible assets. අපිට පෙන්වන්න දෙයක් නැහැ මේ තමයි goodwill එක කියලා. දැන් බලන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ මගේ ක්ලාස් එකට එන්නේ වෙන තැන් වල යන්න. දැන් වෙන ක්ලාස් තියෙන accounts වලට. ඒතර ඒ වගේ යන්න නැත්නම් ඇයි මගේ එකට එන්නේ? අපි මහන්සිලා ඒ දවස්වල ළමයිට උගන්වලා හොඳ නමක් ගොඩනගලා තියෙනවා හොඳ රිසර්ච් එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. ඒ ඕගොල්ලෝ උගන්වලාද? නෑ ඌට කලින් හිටපු කට්ටිය. අන්නේ මහන්සි ප්‍රතිඵලයක් නිසා තමයි අපි ඒ දවස්වල මහන්සි නිසා තමයි එහෙම හොඳ නමක් ගොඩනගපු හින්දා තමයි දැන් කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත එන්නේ. ඒත් ළමයි නැවත නැවත එනවා කියන්නේ අපේ ආදායම වැඩි වෙනවා බලන්න. ඒක තමයි බිස්නස් එකක්. බිස්නස් එකේ ප්‍රොෆිට් එකේ නිරූපණය වෙනවා ඒ බිස්නස් එකේ තියෙන ගුඩ්විල් එක. මොකක් හරි හොඳ නමක් තියෙනවා බලන්න. එහෙම හොඳක් තියෙන නිසා තමයි ඕගොල්ලෝ නැවත නැවත එන්නේ මේ බිස්නස් එකට. ඒතර ඕගොල්ලෝ නැවත නැවත එන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ හොඳට උගන්නපු හින්දා නෙමෙයි. ඔයිට කලින් හිටපු කට්ටිය. බිස්නස් එකේ තේම තමයි බලන්න. පරණ පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගපු නිසා තමයි කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත එන්නේ. අන්නේ කස්ටමර්ස්ලා නැවත නැවත එන හැකියාව ගොඩනගලා තියෙන්නේ මහන්සි වෙලා. එක දවසින් දෙකකින් හම්බෙච්ච නෙවෙයි බලන්න. If it has given admission of new partner, retirement of old partners, we have to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. ඇයි මේක අපි adjust කරන්නේ? එහෙම adjust කරේ නැති වුණොත් අලුතෙන් ආපු පාර්ට්නර්ට වාසියක් වෙනවා. මහන්සියක් නැතුව කිසි මහන්සියක් නැතුව ආපු දවස් ඉඳලා ලාභ හම්බ වෙනවා. නමුත් බිස්නස් එක ලාභ ලබන තත්ත්වයට ගෙනල්ලා තියෙන්නේ එක දවසින් දෙකෙන් නෙවෙයි. අන්න යාට වෙන වාසි නැති කරන්නත් පරණ කට්ටියගේ ලාභය අඩු වෙන නිසා වෙන අවාසිය නැති කරන්නත් තමයි goodwill adjust කරන්නේ. But you have to know how to adjust it. First one, goodwill should be recorded. How to records? Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. Second one, goodwill is intangible assets. ඇයි මේක අපි පෙන්වන්නේ නැත්තේ? පෙන්වන්න දෙයක් නෑ අපි ගාව. මේක තමයි goodwill එක කියලා. නමුත් ඇත්තටම තියෙනවා බලන්න දැන් ජෝන් කිල්ස් කියපුවාම එහෙම නැත්නම් ඕගොල්ලෝ යන ඉස්කෝලේ නම පොඩ්ඩක් මතක කරගන්න. ඒවට goodwill එකක් තියෙනවද බලන්න. අන්නේ value එක අපිට පෙන්වන්න building, land, motor vehicle වගේ දෙයක් නෑ. Intangible assets should not be disclosed. ඒකට කවදාරි අපිට සල්ලි හම්බෙන්නේ business එක විකුණන දවසට. Therefore, should not be disclosed on the financial statement as asset. Therefore, goodwill should be written off. Goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit by using new ratio. You have to know. The mana goodwill එකේ net effect එක 0. ඔයාලා තේරෙන් ගන්න ඕනේ තමයි in the capital account goodwill should be recorded all ratio credit new ratio debit. අන්තිමට ඔන්න ඔය ටික තේරුණා නැති දැනට. This is the way you have to adjust admission of new partner. Balance part I have discussed last day also. Appropriation part. Now think new partners available during the contract period also. Then profit should be distributed among the partners. If new partner was admitted to the business at the beginning of the year, new partner also available. Interest on capital should be calculated based on closing their capital account balance now. Then opening balance එක base කරගන්න බෑ. As a result of goodwill adjustment, as well as a result of cash brought by new partner, capital account balance changed from the beginning. Therefore, now when we are going to prepare appropriation accounts, Interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing balance. Try to calculate closing balance of capital accounts. Take the credit side total amounts. Those are equity accounts. Therefore, 272,000. And here total value equal to 298,000. Credit side increase, which is 220,000. Take those value debit side and difference value balance carry down. Try to calculate closing balance also. Therefore, difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value balance carry down. Therefore, this one minus this one equal to 212,000. And this one minus this one, take the answer, closing balance, 298,000 minus 36,000 equal 262,000. As well as 220,000 minus 24,000 equal 196,000. Interest on capital now should be calculated based on their closing balance. Think about balance brought forward. Balance brought forward, credit side, closing balance. Based on this value, now you have to calculate interest on capital. If it has given admission beginning of the year, on admission beginning of the year, do not, interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance, not opening balance. Those are the things keep in mind. Recent new partner also introduced cash as a capital. As a result of goodwill adjustment, capital account balance changed from the beginning. Now think what appropriation part. New partner was admitted to the business at the beginning of the year. Now think what agreement. Agreement, think about admission part we have discussed. And given agreements, new agreement should be applied, including new partner also. It has given new agreement, Ajit, Sajit and Vijit partnerships are as follow. Given monthly salary, it has given monthly salary 150,000, 250,000, as well as it has given 200,000. Are to be paid Ajit, Sajit and Vijit. Record its appropriation account as well as current accounts. All the appropriation parts should be recorded to the partner's current accounts. Monthly salary is given 150,000. Record values in 1,000 into 12. And Sajit also given monthly value 250,000. Record values in 1,000 into 12. And Vijit also it has given monthly salary equal 200,000, but in 12. Annual salary should be calculated. Think appropriation accounts into 12, take the answers. 150,000 into 12 equal 1,800. As less 250 into 12 equal 3,000. Think values in 1,000. As less 200 into 12 equal 2.4 million. Think what salary, all three partners available during the county period now. It has given admission beginning of the year. Total value should be input second column within brackets. Take the total value, second column within brackets. Total value equals 7,200. Think double entry, appropriation account debit, partners current account credit. All the appropriation parts should be recorded through the partner's current account also. Appropriation account debit, current account credit, that is a double entry. That part we have discussed already. Then record partner's current account also, not capital accounts. Therefore, current account credit as a salary. Ajit, Vijit and Sajit, all three partners available. Given monthly value, record annual salary 1,800, 3,000 as well as 2,400. Think what new agreement should be applied. Monthly salary we have discussed. Then think what interest on capital is given. Part B. Interest on capital is 10% of their capital account balance. Now think based on which value should be calculated. It has given interest on capital 10%. Very, very important. Think what you have to decide now. based on their opening balance or closing balance. If it has given admission beginning of the year, as a result of cash bought by new partner, as well as a result of goodwill adjustment, capital account balance change from the beginning. Therefore, when we are going to calculate interest on capital, should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance, not opening balance. Based on their closing balance should be calculated interest on capital if it has given admission beginning of the year. Those are the important points. අර අලුතෙන් ආපු partner කෙනෙකු සල්ලි ටික හින්දායි as a result of goodwill adjustment, capital account balance change from the beginning. Therefore, during the account period, as a capital balance available, closing balance. Therefore, interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance. 10%. Therefore, record it based on their closing capital account balance. 212,000 into 10%, 262,000 into 10%, 196,000 into 10%. Take the value. Appropriation accounts as well as partners current accounts. Based on their closing balance, very important, 212,000 into 10%. 212,000 into 10%. Based on their closing balance, as a result of goodwill adjustment and cash bought by new partner, capital balance change from the beginning. Therefore, based on their closing capital account balance should be calculated. 196,000 into 10%. 10% mean 10 can be cut. Therefore, here will be equal to 21,200. And here will be equal to 26,200. As well as digit will be equal to 19,600. Think how to calculate interest on capital. Based on their closing capital account balance. Those are the things. Keep it in mind. Sometimes it has given admission beginning of the year. Sometimes it has given admission end of the year. Think how to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. Think how to calculate interest on capital. Therefore, total will be equal to 67,000 within brackets. 67,000 second column. Double entry, appropriation account debit, partners current account credit. Therefore, those value, all the appropriation part should be recorded partners current accounts. Therefore, partners current account credit as an interest on capital. Interest on capital credit. Interest on capital. Based on their closing capital account balance, 21,200, 26,200, as well as 19,600. Think interest on capital. Then balance part as a profit share. Think profit earned by the partnerships. How to distribute among the partners. You have to consider contribution that each partner has given for generate profit. Profit should be distributed among the partners fairly by considering contribution that each partner has given for generate profit. Now profit share also can be calculated. All the deductions should be deducted. Then can be calculated share of profit. Think about 114,200. From this value deduct total amount of salary, total amount of interest on capital. Take the answer. 114,200. Deduct 7,200 as well as 67,000. Then can be calculated share of profit. Therefore, here difference will be equal 40,000. That is a share of profit. It should be distributed among the partners by using profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. It has available agreements. Think about new profit sharing ratio equal 5:3:2. Therefore, based on this ratio, balance part share of profit can be distributed among the partners. 5:3:2. Therefore, profit appropriation accounts 5:3:2. Therefore, 40,000 divided by 10 into 5. Profit sharing ratio equal 5:3:2. 5:3:2. That is the profit sharing ratio. Therefore, total profit share equal 10. divide by 10 into 5. Share of profit equal 40,000. And Sajid also same way, 40,000 divided by 10 into 3. And Vijit also same way. Think about how to calculate profit share. Share of profit divided by total profit share divided by 10 into 2. This is the profit share. Take the answer. Therefore, here value equal to 20,000. Calculator can be used. And here value equal to 12,000. As well as next one, it has given 8,000. Think about profit appropriation parts. Interest on capital, salary, and profit share. All the appropriation parts, appropriation account debit, partners current account credit. Therefore, this value also partners current account credit. As a profit share, value equal to 20,000, 12,000, as well as 8,000. Appropriation account debit, partners current account credit. Now think about profit appropriation accounts. Closing balance should be 0. See the profit appropriation accounts. Total deduction, salary, interest on capital, profit share, it total value equal 114,200. Therefore, 114,200 total distributed parts. Therefore, closing balance should be 0. Think how to prepare profit appropriation accounts. As well as all the appropriation parts should be recorded through the partners current accounts. See the partners current accounts. And if it has given drawings, also should be recorded partners current accounts. Drawings available trial balance. Effect for equity decrease. Think current account available additional drawings and profit. Drawings and profit available in the current accounts. And drawings effect for equity decrease, it has given trial balance. See the example, 42,000, Sajid 39,000, see the trial balance, as well as 28,000 Vijit. Drawings effect for equity decrease should be recorded partners current accounts. Drawings can profit taking around equity. Business generated profit again, partners la around equity drawings. Therefore, drawings also should be recorded through the partners current accounts. Ajit, Sajid, and Vijit, 42,000, 39,000, and 28,000. Recorded through the partners current accounts. Debit side as drawings. Debit side as drawings should be recorded debit side. Value equal 42,000, and Sajid 39,000. As well as Vijit is given 28,000. Think appropriation part as well as drawings. Appropriation part, profit appropriation part as well as drawings should be recorded through the partners current accounts. And think about admission parts. If it has given admission of new partner, 2 adjustment. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Think how to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Second one, goodwill should be written off. Goodwill කියන්නේ customers ලා නැවත නැවත ගෙන්නම ගන්න තියෙන හැකියාව. අනේ හැකියාව ගොඩනගලා තියෙන්නේ පරණ partners ලා මහන්සි වෙලා. ඒ හින්දා තමයි customers ලා නැවත නැවත එන්නේ. Customers ලා නැවත නැවත ආවොත් තමයි business එකේ profit එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් business එක profit එක එන්නේ වැඩි වෙනවා කියන්නේ ඒ business එකේ goodwill එකක් තියෙනවා. අන්නේ goodwill එක අපි adjust කරන්න ඕනේ. All ratio credit, new ratio debit. Goodwill should be recorded as well as goodwill should be written off. Then take the closing balance of current account also. Those are the equity of the partnerships. Therefore, think about credit side. Normally credit side increase. Take the total amount of credit side. Therefore, credit side total amount equal here 44,000. Take credit side total value. Normally equity account credit side increase. Take the total value. Here total money equal 45,200. As well as Vijit also take the total amount of credit side. Normal equity account credit side increase. Here value equal 30,000. 30,000. Take those value debit side. Difference value as a balance carried out. Closing balance should be calculated. Therefore, debit side to credit side as a balance carried down. Difference value 44,000 minus 42,000 value equal 2,000 and 45,200 minus 9,000 39,000. Therefore, here value equal 6,200 and 30,000 minus 28,000 also equal 2,000. Balance carried down from debit side to credit side. Therefore, credit side that value as a balance brought forward. As a balance brought forward, credit side value equal 2,000 as well as 6,200 as well as 2,000. Those are the values should be input financial position when we are going to prepare financial statement. Equity of the partnership equal both capital account and current accounts. On අපි equity දාන තැන දාන්නේ equity වෙනකොට capital accounts Ajit, Sajit and Vijit and current account Ajit, Sajit and Vijit. Think about admission of new partner. Two adjustments should be done. First one, cash brought by new partner. Cash account debit, capital account credit. Second one, goodwill of the partnerships. If new partner was admitted to the business at the beginning of the year, think how to calculate interest on capital. This part very, very important. Think what it has given. In this example, new partner was admitted at the beginning of the year. Therefore, cash brought by new partner and goodwill adjustment should be done from the beginning before appropriation profit. After that, profit appropriation part should be done. When calculating interest on capital, based on their closing capital account balance should be calculated. Very, very important. Think about partnership admission beginning of the year. Think how to prepare profit appropriation accounts. Think about business organization. There are more than two owners available. Already we have discussed sole proprietorships. Difference between sole proprietorship and partnerships. In the partnership, there are more than two owners available. Therefore, you have to know how to prepare profit appropriation accounts. Profit earned by the business should be distributed among the partners fairly. දැන් මෙතන මේ විදිහට අපි බෙදලා දෙන්න හේතුව තමයි partnersලා තුන් දෙනාම profit එක generate කරන්න දායක වෙලා තියෙන විදිය equal නැහැ. සමහර කට්ටිය වැඩිපුර සල්ලි දාලා තියෙනවා. සමහර කට්ටිය වැඩිපුර risk එක ගන්නවා. Some partners participate administration purpose every days. Some partners participate only weekdays. Some partners participate only weekend. We have to consider it. तर ඒවා equal නැත්තම් සල්ලි දාලා තියෙන විදිය equal නැත්තම් administration purpose එකට participate වෙන විදිය equal නැත්තම් risk එක ගන්න විදිය equal නැත්තම් profit එකත් equally බෙදලා දෙන්න බෑ. Therefore we have to consider when business going to appropriate profit fairly should be distributed. Therefore profit should be distributed among the partners as interest on capital, salary and profit share. Think how to calculate interest on capital if it is given admission beginning of the year. Based on their closing capital account balance should be calculated. Closing balance. Then think how to prepare partners capital accounts and current accounts. Capital account we have to prepare if it has given admission or retirements. But think about last week we have discussed only current accounts. Reason it has not given admission part. Therefore, if it has given admission or retirements, you have to prepare partners capital account also. Right, next one. So make it in the beginning of the admission. But next one, question number second one, I am going to discuss end of the admission. That is the difference. Admission. Think about question number second one. Second one also relevant for admission part, very important. ඔන්න ඒකේ වෙනස තමයි it has given admission end of the year. That is the difference. Question number second one, think about. It has given Dulce and Sinali carrying a partnership business under following agreements. There are two partners available. Monthly salary is given 580,000, 670,000 are paid, are to be paid Dulce and Senedi. There are two partners. Given monthly salary, interest on capital 10% on their capital account balance. Profit and loss share 3:2 ratio between Dulce and Senedi. Two partners available. Now given trial balance also only for two partners. Capital account, current account balance it has given. And profit for the year end 31st March 21 also given. Drawings also given. And additional information, think about. It has given Rasmi was admitted to the business as a partner on 31st March 21. Rasmi was admitted to the business as a partner on 31st March 2021. And she brought 570,000 in cash as a capital on his admission. That is the first part. Cash bought by new partner. Think about admission end of the year. Then we will තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ මෙයා අන්තිම දවසේ නැවිලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒතර මෙයා දැන් මේ අවුරුද්දේ ඉඳලා නැහැ. එහෙනම් මෙයාට මේ අවුරුද්දේ profit එක යන්න බෑ. If it has given admission end of the year, new partner is not available during the current period. Therefore, when we are going to prepare appropriation accounts, new partner should not be included. Reason, new partner is not give their contribution for generate profit. If it has given admission end of the year, new partner is not available during the current periods. Therefore, new partner should not be included in the appropriation accounts. And given all partners agree to share profit and loss 2:2:1, given ratio, as well as it has given goodwill of the partnership as at 31st March 21, year 21, was agreed as 500,000. And all adjustment in this regard should be made through the partners' capital accounts. Two adjustment. End of the admission, as well as goodwill also given rupees 500,000. Think values in thousand. Goodwill of the partnership is given, as well as cash bought by new partner is given. What is the important thing? New partner is not available during the current period. Therefore, when we are going to prepare profit appropriation account only for all partners, if it has given admission, two adjustments should be done. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded, and second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Question number first one, it has given admission beginning of the year. In this situation, all three partners should be included appropriation account also. But in this example, new partner was admitted to the business at the end of the current period. Therefore, new partner is not available. When we are going to prepare profit appropriation accounts, new partner's name should not be included. New partner should not be included. There's profit appropriation accounts for the year end 31st March 21, and partners capital accounts and current account theirs. Think what appropriation account should be prepared only for two partners. New partners name should not be included. Therefore, Rasmi should not be included. This is the way you have to prepare appropriation accounts. Dulce and Sinali partnerships. Statement of profit appropriation for the year end 31st March 21. And net profit should be included from the beginning. Then minus salary only for Dulce and Sinali. But new partner name should not be included. New partner Rasmi. Rasmi is not available during the current period. Rasmi is not give their contribution for generate profit. She was admitted beginning of the year, end of the year. Therefore, new partner is not available. Interest on capital also same way. And profit share also only for 2 partners. Then prepare partners capital accounts. 3 partners available, but partners current account only for 2 partners. Profit and drawing should be recorded partners current accounts. New partner was admitted end of the year. Therefore, profit and drawings is not relevant for new partner. Therefore, current account, it is enough 2 columns. But capital accounts, cash bought by new partner should be recorded and goodwill of the partnership should be recorded. Therefore, 3 columns. First one, take the balances, capital and current accounts, as well as net profit also given. See the trial balance. Net profit, it has given 233,000. Trial balance, credit side, it has given. It should be recorded profit appropriation accounts, this part. 233,000. Record it in the profit appropriation accounts. Last columns, 233,000 as a net profit. As a net profit, 233,000. Then take the balances, capital and current accounts. Think about capital account balance. It has given credit side. Dulce 620,000 and Sinali 760,000. Take as a balance brought forward. In the capital accounts, equity therefore credit balance. Take the credit side as a balance brought forward. Take the balances, capital account and current account, credit side as a balance brought forward. As a balance brought forward. Only for 2 partners, it has given Dulce 620,000 and Sinal it has given 760,000. Rasmi is not available, therefore opening balance 0. And take the current account balance also. Current account also given Dulce and Sinali, 2 partners. It has given Dulce 3,000, Sinali 2,000. Partners current account balance 3,000 and 2,000. Take that value credit side as a balance brought forward. Current account as a balance brought forward. Credit side and 3,000 as well as 2,000. New partner's name should not be included. Reason, new partner is not available during the accounting period. Admission, it has given end of the year. Therefore, profit appropriation relevant for only 2 partners. Right now, think about agreements. Now, from the beginning, appropriation part should be done. After that, admission part can be discussed. It has given monthly salary only for 2 partners. Then appropriation part මුලින්ම කරන්න පුළුවන් අපි. New partner is not available. Given monthly salary, annual salary should be calculated. 580,000 as well as 670,000 monthly value. Into 12, take the annual value. Annual salary. Therefore, salary is given monthly value, record value is in 1,000. Monthly value is given 508,000 into 12, as well as Sinal it has given monthly value equals 670,000. 670,000 into 12. Annual salary should be recorded. Take the values. 580,000 into 12 equal 6,960. As well as 670 into 12 equal 8,004. This is a monthly salary. Annual salary should be calculated. Total value should be included. Second column within brackets. Take the total value also. Therefore, total value equal 15,000. Appropriation account debit, partners current account credit. Therefore, this value should be recorded credit side of the partners current account also. All the appropriation parts should be recorded partners current accounts. Therefore, this is annual salary, but given monthly value. Therefore, 6,960 6,960 as well as 8,040 as salary. Partner's current account credit side. Dulce will be equal 6,960 as well as Sinali it has given 8,040. Appropriation part should be recorded partner's current accounts. Think about agreements. And given interest on capital 10% on their capital account balance. If it has given admission end of the year, new partners cash is not used for generate income. අලුතෙන් ආපු partner ගේ සල්ලි පාවිච්චි කරලා නැහැ අපි. Therefore, if it has given end of the admission, interest on capital should be calculated based on their opening capital account balance. That is a thing keep in mind. But if it has given admission beginning of the year, interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance. But if it has given beginning of the admission, if it has given end of the admission, you have to calculate based on their opening capital account balance. Reason capital balance is not changed during the accounting period. Capital balance change end of the accounting period. New partner also introduce cash. Those are not used for generate income. Therefore, interest on capital should be calculated based on their opening balance if it has given admission end of the year. Opening capital balance equal 620,000 into 10% and 760,000 into 10%. Very, very important. Think how to calculate interest on capital. If it has given admission beginning of the year as well as admission end of the year. If it has given end of the admission based on their closing capital account balance 10%. Calculate similarly also based on their opening capital account balance. If it has given admission end of the year. If it has given admission end of the year, based on their opening capital account balance should be calculated interest on capital. 10% mean 10 can be cut. Take the total value last column, second column within brackets. Therefore, 62,000 plus 76,000. Total value equal 138,000. 138,000. Then balance part should be distributed among the partners as a profit share. This one minus this one minus this one, take the answer. Balance part as a profit share. Therefore, 233,000 minus. Take the balance parts. That is a share of profit. Therefore, this one 233,000 minus 15,000 minus 138,000. Therefore, difference will be equal 80,000. It is called share of profit. It is relevant for only two partners. New partner is not available. Therefore, by using profit sharing ratio, it should be distributed among the partners. Right, then take the answer. This is a share of profit. You have to apply new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. Sorry, all ratio. All agreements should be applied to appropriate profit. Only for two partners available during the accounting period. This is the profit sharing ratio we have to apply now. But if it has given admission beginning of the year, you have to use new ratio. But if it has given end of the admission, you have to use old ratio for appropriate profit. 3:2 ratio. Therefore, profit appropriation part, old ratio, it is equal 3:2. This is old ratio. 3:2. It total will be equal 5. Therefore, share of profit equal 8,000. Therefore, 8,000 divided by 5 into 3. As well as 80,000. Share of profit equal 8,000 divided by 5 into 2. That is a share of profit share. Therefore, divided by 5 into 3, take the answer. calculator can be used. Therefore, here value equal 48,000. And here value equal 32,000. Think share of profit and how to distribute profit share ratio. Which ratio should be applied? Think about old ratio or new ratio. If it is given admission end of the year, you have to use old ratio. But if it is given admission beginning of the year, you have to use new ratio. Those are the things keep in mind. Then all the appropriation part, partners current account credit. Therefore, interest on capital, salary, and profit share. Partners current account credit. Therefore, partners current account credit as interest on capital also. As interest on capital, it has calculated already. Interest on capital as well as salary, all the appropriation part, partners current account credit. Therefore, interest on capital equals 62,000 as well as 76,000. Then balance part as a profit share. As a profit share. Think profit share. Profit share also calculated 48,000 and 32,000. All the appropriation part, partners current account credit. Therefore, 48,000 and 32,000. Think how to prepare appropriation accounts. It has given admission end of the year. Interest on capital, salary, profit share should be recorded credit side. And some it has given drawings also. If it has given drawings, should be recorded debit side of the current accounts. Sixth trial balance. It has given drawings also. Dulce and Sinali, 115,000 and 110,000. Available trial balance, there were double entry. It may be cash drawings, it may be stock drawings. Effect for equity decrease should be recorded debit side of the current accounts. Debit side, 115,000 and 110,000. Record it as drawings, partners current account debit side. As drawings, value equal 115,000 as less 110,000. Think it has given admission end of the year. Therefore, new partner is not available. Therefore, profit appropriation part can be done from the beginning. Now think admission part. If it has given admission, two adjustments should be done. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Think question number second one. Additional information. It has given Rasmi was admitted to the business as a partner on 31st March 21. It has given admission end of the year. Therefore, new partner is not available during the account period. But if it has given admission, two adjustments should be done. It has given, say, brought 570,000 in cash as a capital on her admission. That is a cash bought by new partner. It has given thing values in 1,000, 570,000. Thing double entry, cash increase, cash account debit, partners capital account credit. This is the cash bought by new partner. Cash account debit, capital account credit. As well as given, goodwill of the partnership also given 500,000. There are two adjustments should be done. And given new profit share and ratio also, it is relevant for now goodwill adjustment. For goodwill adjustment, you have to use new profit share and ratio also. If it has given admission, two adjustments should be done. It has given cash bought by new partner 570,000. Cash account debit, capital account credit. And given new profit share and ratio also, as well as it has given goodwill of the partnership as at 31st March 21. Think how to adjust goodwill as well as think how to adjust cash bought by new partner. Cash bought by new partner equal 570,000. Think about double entry, cash account debit, capital account credit. Therefore, cash account debit, capital account credit. Cash bought by new partner equal 570,000. Now think about admission part. Cash account also you have to prepare. Record it through the partner's capital accounts. First one thing, cash bought by new partner. Value equal 570,000. Values in 1000. Effect for cash increase. Therefore, cash accounts debit. 570,000. Values in 1000. Effect for cash increase. Cash account debit and capital account credit. Therefore, cash account debit as a capital accounts and capital account credit as a cash. Capital account credit as a cash. Rashmi, new partner, 570,000. Capital account credit as a cash. Think about double entry. That is the first step number 1. If it has given admission, 2 adjustments should be done. Cash account debit, capital account credit. Second one, goodwill of the partnerships. Always, first one goodwill should be recorded. Second one goodwill should be written off. Right? Think about goodwill of the partnership is given 500,000. And old ratio it has given 3:2 ratio. It has given old agreements. And new profit sharing ratio is given 2:2:1. Old ratio 3:2. Goodwill of the partnership equal 500,000. Adjust goodwill. First one goodwill should be adjusted. Goodwill account debit, partners, capital account credit. By using old ratio. Old ratio it has given there are 2 partners, Dulce and Sinali. Therefore, Dulce. Next one, Sinali. Dulce and Sinali partnerships. 2 partners available and given old ratio 3:2. Old ratio 3:2. And goodwill of the partnership is given 500,000. Therefore, 500,000 divided by 5 into 3. Think about old ratio. 3:2. Its total value equal 5. Therefore, 500,000 divided by 5 into 3. As well as 500,000 divided by 5 into 2. Think how to adjust goodwill of the partnerships. Old ratio credit. Therefore, here will be equal 300,000 as well as 200,000. Goodwill account debit, partners, capital account credit. This is the old ratio. Goodwill also assets. First one should be recorded. Total value equal 500,000. Therefore, goodwill account debit 500,000 as a capital. First one thing, how records. Goodwill account debit, capital account credit. Capital account should be credit by using old ratio. 300,000 and 200,000. Record it. Partners capital account as a goodwill. As a goodwill by using old ratio. Within brackets, old ratio. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. 300,000 as well as 200,000. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Second one, goodwill is intangible assets, should be written off. Therefore, goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit by using new ratio. Now think about new ratio equal 2:2:1. Therefore, 2:2:1. Think how written off goodwill. Goodwill is intangible assets. Therefore, goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit by using new ratio. Therefore, it has given new ratio 2:2:1. New ratio is given 2:2:1. Total goodwill equal 500,000. 3 partners available. Dulce, Sinali, and new partner. New partner's name equal Rasmi. Therefore, write the name Dulce, Sinali, as well as Rasmi. New partners, new ratio should be applied. And goodwill of the business is not changed. It is equal 500,000. Therefore, 500,000 divided by 5. Total profit share equal 5 into 2. Next one also same way. 500,000 divided by 5 into 2. And next one, 500,000 divided by 5 into 1. Think new profit sharing ratio. Therefore, take the answers. 500,000 divided by 5 equal 100,000 into 2 equal 200,000. New ratio debit. Next one also 200,000. And next one 100,000. Think all ratio credit, new ratio debit always. Admission as well as retirements. Therefore, goodwill account credit, partners, capital account debit should be written off. First one should be recorded. Second one should be written off by using new ratio. Therefore, goodwill account credit total value 500,000 as a capital. Capital account debit now. Think what capital account debit by using new ratio. Therefore, capital account should be debit as a goodwill by using new ratio. As a goodwill by using new ratio, within brackets new ratio. Value equal 200,000, 200,000 as well as 100,000. Goodwill account credit, partners, capital account debit. Think there are 2 adjustments should be done if it is given admission. First one, cash bought by new partner. Think how to adjust. Second one, goodwill of the partnerships. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Second one, goodwill should be written off. Then think how to prepare profit appropriation accounts. If it is given admission beginning of the year, admission end of the year. If it is given admission beginning of the year, new partner also should be included in the appropriation accounts. But if it is given admission end of the year, new partner is not available. New partner is not give their contribution for generate profit. Therefore, profit is relevant for only old partners, old. Right now, closing balance can be calculated. Capital and current account, those are equity accounts. Closing balance should be recorded financial position. Take the closing balance. Normal equity account credit side increase. First one, balance carry down, capital accounts. Dulce credit side total value equal 920,000. As well as Sinali credit side total amount equal 960,000. But it has given Rasmi credit side capital account 570. Take those value debit side. Then difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carried out. Therefore, balance carried down from debit side to credit side. Difference value balance carried down. Take the difference value as a balance carried down. And that value should be included balance brought forward credit side also. Balance brought forward credit side 720,000, 760,000 as well as 407,000. This is where you should be include financial position as a capital account balance. Think how to calculate closing balance. There are 2 adjustments to be done in the partner's capital accounts. If it is given admission, cash bought by new partner, cash account debit, capital account credit, and next one, goodwill of the partnerships. As well as current account closing balance, balance carried out. Think about current account available, profit and drawings. Profit of the partnership equal total amount of salary, interest on capital, and profit share. all three value profit of the partnerships. Like credit side increase normal equity accounts. Normally equity account credit side increase take total value credit side. Credit side total value. Balance carry down. Closing balance should be calculate current accounts. Therefore, here credit side total money equal 119,960. Take that value debit side 119,960. Then difference value balance carry down from debit side to credit side. Debit side balance carry down and credit side as a balance brought forward. Credit side as a balance brought forward. Therefore, difference value equal here 4,960. That value balance brought forward 4,960 credit side. And similarly also same way, credit side increase, take total value. Credit side increase, take total value. Normally equity account, credit side increase normally. Difference value as a balance carry down. Therefore, credit side total money equal 118,040. Take that value debit side 118,040. Therefore, difference value debit side to credit side as a balance carry down 8,040. Balance brought forward credit side. Think about admission of new partner. Very, very important. It has given beginning of the admission as well as end of the admission. If it has given admission, two adjustment. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Goodwill of the partnership, how to adjust? First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Partners capital account credit by using old ratio. And second steps, goodwill is intangible assets. Therefore, goodwill should not be disclosed on the financial statement. Therefore, goodwill should be written off. Goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit by using new ratio. And when we are going to prepare appropriation accounts, think how to calculate interest on capital. If it has given beginning of the admission, interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance. But if it has given end of the admission, interest on capital should be calculated based on their opening capital account balance. If it has given end of the admission, based on their opening capital account balance, interest on capital should be calculated. If it has given admission beginning of the year, all three partners should be include partners current account also. Appropriation account, all three partners should be included. But if it has given end of the admission, new partner is not available during the accounting period. Therefore, new partner should not be included in the appropriation accounts. And no need to prepare a separate column for partners current account also. Admission. හොඳට අහගෙන ආපහු goodwill adjust කරන්නයි කියලා. ඒතර goodwill කියන හොඳ නමක් නේ. දැන් බලන්න පරණ partnersලා මහන්සි වෙලා business එක ගොඩනගලා තියෙනවා. දැන් නිකන් හිතන්න business එකක් පටන් ගන්න දවස් ඉඳලා profit එක අපිට හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක මහන්සිලා customers ලාගේ විශ්වාසය ගොඩනගලා එහෙම ටික ටික තමයි business එක ගොඩනගලා තියෙන්නේ බලන්න. අන්න එහෙම කරගෙන යන business එකට අලුතෙන් එක්කෙනෙක් ආවොත් එයාට profit එකක් දෙන්න ඕන අපි. නිකන් එන්නේ නැහැ එයා. ඒතර එයාට profit එකක් දෙනකොට දැන් වෙන්නේ එයා කිසි මහන්සියක් නැතුව ආපු දවසේ ඉඳලා profit හම්බ වෙනවා. නමුත් profit generate වෙන තත්ත්වෙට business එක ගෙනල්ලා තියෙන අරගොල්ලෝ මහන්සි වෙනවා. හරිනම් මේ වැඩි වෙන profit එක තාම යන්නේ පරණ partners ලාට. අලුත් partner නිසා තාම profit එක generate වෙන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ ඔහොම වුණාම? පරණ partnersලා මහන්සි වෙලා ගොඩනගපු business එකේ ලැබෙන profit එකෙන් කොටසක් අලුත් එක්කෙනාට යනවා. ඒතර එයාට කිසි මහන්සියක් නැතුව ආපු දවස් ඉඳලා profit එක හම්බෙනවා. එයාට වාසියක් වෙනවා. අන්න එයාට profit එක යන නිසා පරණ කට්ටියගේ profit එක අඩු වෙනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ අවාසියක් වෙනවා. අන්න ඒ වෙන වාසිය වාසි නැති කරන් තමයි goodwill අපි adjust කරන්නේ. goodwill කියන්නේ customers ලා නැවත නැවත ගෙන්න ගන්න තියෙන හැකියාවක්. අන්න ඒ නිසා තමයි customers ලා නැවත නැවත එන්නේ. එහෙම ආපුවම මොකද වෙන්නේ? profit එක වැඩි වෙනවා. එහෙනම් profit එකෙන් නිරූපණය වෙනවා business එකේ goodwill එක. profit එකෙන් වැඩි වෙනවා කියන්නේ goodwill එක වැඩි වෙනවා business එකේ. Therefore, how to adjust goodwill? First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. Those are the things keep in mind. Second one, goodwill should be written off. Reason goodwill is intangible assets. Therefore, goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit by using new ratio. Partnership very important. This is the basic part. ප්‍රධාන කරුණු තුනක් දැනගන්න ඕන. First one, appropriation parts. Second one, admission. Beginning of the year, end of the year. And third one, retirement. Beginning of the year, end of the year. After that, I will discuss complete sum. Manufacturing account with partnerships, trading business with partnerships, incomplete with partnerships. There are more lessons it has given together in the paper. Incomplete part ආපහු හදනවා partnership එක. Normally partnership sum it has given like incomplete. Incomplete partnership organization. Manufacturing accounts partnership organization. Manufacturing and trading business organization partnerships. And service business organization partnerships. We are going to provide information. Basic part, there are three differences. First one, think about appropriation account, how to prepare. Second one, think about admission part. Third one, retirement part. Next day, I will discuss retirement of old partners. After that, I will discuss complete sum with incomplete record also, with manufacturing account also. Right? ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න බලන්න. මේ lesson එක තාම තේරුම් නැත්නම් වීඩියෝ එක හොඳට බලන්න ආපහු. practice එකෙන් තමයි research එක හැදෙන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ. පුළුවන් තරම් ගණන් හදන්න දැම්මේ. මොකද එන්න ඉතුරු lessons ටික අමාරුයි. දැන් company වලට යනකොට තව අමාරු වෙනවා. ඒතර මේ පාඩම් clear වෙලා තිබුණ නැති වුණොත් යන්න අමාරුයි. පුළුවන් තරම් ගණන් හදන්න. practice එකෙන් තමයි realize වෙන theory part එක. right ප්‍රශ්න නැත්නම් අපි ඊළඟ දවසේ හම්බෙමු. good night.